Salut les gars, c'est Yves. On se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo pas Brawl Stars, mais Nintendo, qui est marqué Donkey Kong Bonanza. Merci pour les 50 abonnés les gars. Vous êtes les gars. Dans 24 heures les gars, je vais faire un live. C'est-à-dire demain. Parce que en fait à chaque fois qu'on a les 50 abonnés, il nous met ça. Voilà. Mais après on va voir pour Brawl Stars. Voilà. Ça, je peux faire un live maintenant, mais après, il y a. Ça, c'est marqué 24 heures. Après, les gars, je vais faire. Je vais couper parce que. Les gars, on va pas attendre pendant 3 minutes, les gars, bien sûr. On va faire ça pendant. Je vais couper. Peut-être. Après, les gars, si vous avez, les gars. Et grâce à Timmy 3 que j'ai eu les 50 abonnés, merci à vous, les gars, de vous abonner quand même. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Peggy 7.
Ok, bah là, c'est pas moi, c'est ma petite 18, c'est ça qui compte. Allez, juste 2.
When the world felt so cruel and bleak, when the hole looked so dark and deep, heart is rock, cold as stone, I was scared.
Par contre, on va pas que compte, mais avec un ami un peu chelou, hein.
Show the way to
Ça, c'est la prochaine annonce. C'est incroyable. Le sourire. Mais c'est qui elle? Je me demande bien.
Bananas, the discovery of the century, made right here on Ingot Isle. This is excellent news for #1 banana fan, Donkey Kong, who also happens to be here. However, just as he's about to enjoy the notable bananas, a sudden tempest sends him deep down underground.
Voilà.
As his adventure begins, DK teams up with Oddrod. But it's no rock at all. It's actually a talented young singer named Pauline. Now, Donkey Kong just wants bananas. And Pauline wants to find a way back home to the surface. It's said that one's wish will be granted by reaching the planet core. So the unlikely duo set off on a strange subterranean adventure. The story takes place in the underground world, where the scenery changes the deeper you go. Some layers are so spectacular that it's hard to believe you're underground. DK can run, jump, and climb through each environment. Using his incredible physical prowess, you can freely move in any direction. But that's not all.
C'est impressionnant.
Almost anything in your path, you can smash, crash, and bash. You can even
On peut faire ça dans toute la map.
to a
C'est
massive
impressionnant.
rock formation.
Ça fait dans toute la map.
As you barrel through obstacles in your path, you'll also collect
On voit
golden
la
bananas
puissance de
known as Vanadium gems.
des Kong.
More on those later. Let's take a look at some of the things this Kong can do. Punch,
Coup de poing.
smash enemies, walls, the ground, and most things you can get your hands on with incredible force. Destruction can lead to discoveries, so set off a chain reaction and see what happens. Dive punch. Unleash a powerful punch directly down. How deep you punch into the ground depends on the strength of the terrain. Roll forward. Roll at high speed and send lighter objects soaring. Combine this with punches and jumps to
Ah
really mix
oui, ah
things up.
oui.
Hand slap.
Clac.
Make some noise to collect scattered
Oui.
items.
C'est
Or
bon.
detect hidden
On
objects
peut savoir
using
où est la
sonar.
banane, ah oui.
You can even use your feet when your hands are occupied.
Note
Tear off.
arraché.
Grab a chunk of terrain and tear it off. Or tear up turnips to find items. And even tear chunks off your foes. Swing.
Frapper.
Grab a chunk and swing it to attack. Harder chunks can be used to break stone with ease. Or smash spiky thorns. Chunk jump.
Saute sur bloc.
Use a chunk to double jump. This'll help you
Ouais, ça
reach
doit être
new
pratique.
heights.
Hein.
Throw.
Lancer, ah oui, ça c'est des dégons. Locating
Aim
plutôt.
at a target like this. Throwing a boom rock or gold can have explosive effects. If you throw chunks made of softer material, you can stick them to a surface and pile them
Ouais,
up.
ouais. Attends.
Turf serve.
Surf.
This lets you ride on chunks.
Ça va plus vite.
Speed
Mais
up and
après,
aim for smaller enemies to knock them away. Make music.
la musique.
The power of Pauline's singing will help show you the way. It can also remove
En plus,
strange
celui qui vient, il sait pas faire, mais
someone left behind. You never know
Oh.
what you'll discover in the underground world. So carve your own path with DK's abilities. The many layers of the underground world are host to a variety of inhabitants. Some are mysterious and aren't too bothered by DK's destructive tendencies.
attends quoi?
It looks like Cranky Kong
peut
and his
refaire en
companion
casse. Ah
Rambi
ouais.
are also venturing through the layers of the world. Then there are the giant
Wow.
elves who call the
Ça, c'est
underground world home. They're said to possess ancient bonanza powers. By learning their bonanza powers, Pauline's singing can do something special. She can make Donkey Kong transform
Oh, Gong Bananda.
with incredible destructive power, even hard to
Bananda Gong. Oui.
plow through the world and
Mais quand même,
smash
c'est impressionnant, il y a deux pouvoirs.
the powerful Kong Bonanza.
C'est en mode
Plus,
horreur.
DK can transform into a zebra. He's as speedy
Oui,
as he is strong.
Bananza
He can
zèbre.
freeze over water
Ouais, je peux traverser l'eau.
or crumbling pathways. That's the swift Zebra Bonanza. Oh yeah, he can also turn into an ostrich. A flying ostrich.
Par contre, c'est impressionnant,
Spread
Bananza
your
zèbre.
wings and soar through the
C'est
sky.
limité et ça, Bananza autruche, c'est aussi limité sur les ailes.
You can use updrafts to gain more air. Then drop egg bombs from great heights to send enemies scattering.
What?
That's right.
c'est impressionnant.
It's Ostrich Bonanza. Bonanza
Et
transformations don't last forever though. You can transform again by
Wow.
collecting gold to build up your Bonanergy. You're not limited to when or where you transform, and you can swap between transformations. So get creative and use them as you adventure to the planet core. Standing in our hero's way is the Void Company, the mightiest mining operation both above ground and below. Grumpy Kong works to create gigantic corporate
Poppy
soldiers.
Kong.
Poppy Kong is
Poppy
responsible
Kong.
for subterranean info gathering, while Void
Void
Kong is in
Kong.
charge of the whole company. This nefarious crew is responsible for the banana-stealing maelstrom on Ingot Isle, and they're heading straight down to the planet core.
The planet core? But no! I'm going with DK, so you just stay away!
Void Code blocked off all
Ok,
the
il y a
routes to
un
the
méchant
lower
dans
layers,
l'histoire.
so no one can reach them.
Ok, il y a un méchant dans l'histoire. On doit récupérer les bananes. Je crois.
DK and his
Ou les
pals
bourgeois, je sais
will
plus.
come face to face with the enemies guarding these routes. So use all the power at your disposal to take on
Oui.
a host of powerful foes. By defeating them,
Wesh, les bananes dorées.
giant sinkholes will open, clearing a path to the lower layers of the underground world. Found throughout the underground
Il y
world
a chaque banane dorée dans tous les mondes. Malement.
Banandium gems.
Précieux de banandium.
They're not always visible though.
C'est comme de l'aluminium mais avec ium.
The ground and other places. There are
Ouais,
a
c'est
whole
partout alors.
bunch to find. You can also obtain these gems by
Oui.
completing challenges in the ruins found throughout your adventure.
La parcours. Ah, des fois il y a des parcours
Time
défis.
limited battles. Courses where you'll need clever solutions. Side-scrolling stages and more. Keep your eyes peeled to find the Banandium gems. There are plenty of ruins to discover, so give them a try.
Il y a de partout.
As you collect Banandium gems, you'll gain skill points. These can be used to increase stats such as your max health or the destructive power of your punches. Power up Donkey Kong to match your playstyle. For
C'est un peu comme
example,
dans FIFA.
you strengthen your
Ah, dans
sonar,
FC
you'll be
25.
able to detect treasure from
Avec
further
plus de
away,
points.
which could lead to new discoveries. Or use skill points to learn new skills.
Sur le maintenant.
There are
Wesh.
all sorts of items to find as you explore. Banandium chips are shaped like slices of banana,
Rondelle de
and they can be traded for
banandium.
Banandium gems at the chip exchange. These gold nuggets are, unsurprisingly, called gold. You can exchange gold for useful items at the stuff shop. There are fossils
Non,
too.
j'étais les pieds d'or.
You can
Ah, il y a
trade
des
these in different
fossiles.
fashions at local style shops. Just open the closet and customize the perfect fits for Donkey Kong and Pauline. Or even change up your fur color. No look is too much for Donkey Kong, or too little. Almost every article of clothing comes with its own benefits, so mix and match your look to suit the situation. If you find a treasure chest buried in the ground, crack it open, and you might receive a treasure map showing the location of Banandium gems or fossils. Their locations will be marked on your map. Pretty
Ok, il y a
helpful
une
for
carte
finding
alors. Il y a
collectibles.
bien une carte.
You can also see which fossils and Banandium gems you collected, making it easy to see how close you are to completion. There's plenty more to do in the underground world when not adventuring. Need a rest? Carve out a space and enjoy a getaway where you can recover in bed. And enjoy listening to tunes with the music player. You might even find new discs when defeating enemies. When it comes to moving between layers, subterranean eels have your back.
Ok.
These elevators will help you easily move between layers you visited at any time. And if you get lost, no need to worry. You can always teleport within the layer you're currently
Should we
exploring.
teleport there?
Ok.
In photo mode, you can freely change the in-game camera angle and adjust other
Ah, c'est un peu
settings
comme dans
to
Mario
snap
Kart
pics.
World.
Get a photo like this or that. Unleash your inner shutterbug and create your own captivating scenes. By sharing a Joy-Con 2 controller or using a second set,
Comment ça se
you and
place
a pal can control Donkey Kong
Ça
and
prend les deux
Pauline
manettes.
separately to buddy up in local
Ah, c'est
co-op
sur
mode.
clavier souris, ok.
As Pauline, you can unleash Vocal Blast using Joy-Con 2 mouse controls. You can also copy the material of nearby terrain to give your vocals even more texture. By working together, even tough enemies don't stand a chance. This game also supports game share. Even if only one player has the game, they can quickly share it to another player so they can join on their own console. It can also be shared locally to a Nintendo Switch console. Plus, you can play online between Nintendo Switch 2 consoles using Game Share via Game Chat. If you need a little help with all the platforming action, Assist Mode is the way to play. It guides you in the right direction, halves the damage you receive, and more. Assist Mode supports you in your adventure to be the best Kong you can be. Outside of the main game, there's a mode where you can carve stone using mouse controls called DK Artist. Rotate to paint. Carve material.
C'est impressionnant.
Or add some back on. You can even change the lighting and add delectable banana effects.
Oh, il y a que
Give
des
it a
bananes
try
autour là.
and sculpt to your heart's content. This game also supports Amiibo.
Ah, c'est collab avec
The new
Amiibo.
Donkey Kong and Pauline Amiibo figure is also on the way. Scanning it unlocks Pauline's Diva dress. By scanning the Donkey Kong series Amiibo shown here, gold Kong tiles with explosive
Kong.
power will appear. Every
trop
other
fort.
Amiibo released up to this point is also compatible.
Ah, ce sont des
If you
pop,
scan
on
them,
dirait.
you'll get giant spheres like these.
Oh oui, ça c'est de l'eau, ça.
I love to sing more than anything. I have this dream. Oh, maybe if we get to the surface, you and me, we can make it more than a dream.
Ah oui, ça c'est pour la suite. C'est impressionnant.
Join the powerful Donkey Kong and the talented singer Pauline as they set out on an adventure to the fabled planet Pool.
My own special power? DK!
Ok.
Donkey Kong Bonanza.
Bananza.
Available July 17th.
Le 17
only on
juillet.
Nintendo Switch 2. Pre-orders are available now on Nintendo eShop. The Donkey Kong and Pauline Amiibo will also be available July 17th.
C'est une pop, pour ça. Oui, une figurine, c'est pareil. Bon les gars, je crois qu'on va se laisser pour cette vidéo les gars. Merci pour les 50 abonnés les gars. Demain je vais essayer de faire un live. Dès possible. Bah en fait le soir. Le soir vers 18h30 ou rendez-vous vers 18h30 on va dire. Je sais pas. Et aussi merci les gars en vrai pour les 100 abonnés les gars. Vous êtes les meilleurs comme des frères. Les gars, on se dit à plus pour cette vidéo. Ciao.